This is 11 months before his assassination. And I want people to understand this. He was allowed to live 10 years pushing the love and light concept. The moment he started talking about economic freedom, he started talking about diversity, he started talking about actual progress, truth to promise. He started talking about how people who were actually for the marching grew ambivalence towards actual processes and legislation to help black people economically. He started talking about that. He started talking about how he probably led people into a burning building. We're gonna watch him talk that right here. He didn't most of his interview was about how the younger brothers and the people of today in that era were growing frustrated and that they wanted to see true progress in the name of economic, military, and racist systems. Actual, true, positive progress to help lift up the African-American community as a whole. There was not a lot of praying when this guy, and this phenomenal interviewer, by the way, phenomenal interviewer, asked him phenomenal questions, a white man. Dr. King didn't mention a whole lot about just getting on your knees and praying. And I want to mention this, not every single church is doing this. But when it comes to the churches who got, their pastors are now 50 years old, 60, maybe 40 years old, got some of the older people in there also confused, shook, and just gonna live out all their days believing in false promises, false prophets. So we're gonna watch this without further ado, and we're gonna get some insight on what Dr. King had to say before he was assassinated. Let's make that clear and pull this up.
Roll 20, sound 36.
Hey, look out, he's straight business. Soon as that motherfucker clap down, he's straight business, bro. Straight business. Let's just see that one more, because
You look like a superhuman right there.
Right, bro. Straight business, bro.
Look like greatness, though, right there.
Right. Oh man. Okay, so I got some timestamps. We gonna play it all the way through until about 2:15. We don't have all day to do this, but we gonna give you all the nuggets that I actually want to make sure we get. So let's go ahead.